Good morning, dear students. This is your science teacher, and today we continue with our same chapter of science IIT. Our second chapter to be continue. Okay, in this chapter we already discussed a famous scientific Henry Cavendish and where force is found and what is the role of force and pressure in our daily life. We already discussed, and today we discussed actually what is force and what is the types of force we discuss. Okay, so let's start. Our topic is force. Okay, a force, when we talk about the force is a physical cause. Force is a physical cause that either change the dimension or the states of body. If the body is in state of rest or state of motion, we by the applying force, by the applying of physical cause force, we change the state of object or we change the state of body. If the object is in a resting state, so by applying force, we take this object in motion. If we want to stop that object, so we are also need the physical cause force. Okay, so the physical cause can be the it means the force can be in the form of pull or form of in the push, pull, stretch or squeeze. In four in sorry in three or four phases forms the force we feel. So effects of force, what is the effect of force? So by some example we can by some example we can understand that what the effects of force in our daily life. Okay, so first one is, you see, force can make stationary object. Force can make a stationary object move or make a moving object move faster. By applying force we can move an stationary object or we can move faster a moving object. Okay, for example, a stationary football. Suppose a football is in a stationary state, can be made to move by kicking it. When we kick it, it comes into the motion. Okay, and a moving ball can be made move faster by again giving the push or by again kicking the football. Okay, then second example, effects of force is force can be slow. Force we use, force can be force can slow can slow down or completely stop a moving object. Force is used or affect the slow down movement or complete stop the movement of any object. Okay, for example, for example, a bicycle, when a bicycle moving and we want to stop it, so how we can stop? By applying brake we can stop the bicycle. And in the game of football, you see in the game of football, the goalkeeper apply force to stop the football. Okay, to stop the football coming towards the goal. So in the football also we see goalkeeper apply force to stop the goal. And the third example, these all are the effects of forces. All are the example of force. Okay, force can change the direction of moving object. Here in third example, force is used to change or it affects the direction of a moving object. In the cricket, we already discussed that example. When a bowler bowled a ball towards the batsman changed the direction of the ball. Only he changed the direction of ball by hitting. Okay, and the ball goes into another direction. Similarly, in the football game also, in the football, the direction of football can also be changed by kicking it in different direction. By kicking it, the football, change the direction football by the kicking in a different direction. Okay, and the fourth example, force can change the shape or size of an object. By applying force, we can change the shape or size of the object. So here some example of this effect to change the size or shape of the object. Yes, for example, while making chapati, when we make chapati, so what we do? We take a dough. First, we change the shape of the dough and make a ball. Then again, change the shape of the dough ball into a flat circular chapati. By applying force, we roll the chapatis. Okay, so here some pictures you see. In this picture, this shows the change the shape or size of the object by applying force. So in first example, you see here, in first example, shape of balloon can change when pressed. If we press the balloon, we can change the shape of the balloon temporarily. Okay, by applying force. A sponge, and another example, a sponge you see in the hand, in hand we see the sponge, and by applying force we deformed the sponge by pressing. So we change the shape. It is a temporary change, but it's changed now. Okay, and in another example, our toothpaste tube, we can change the shape of toothpaste tube by pressing. Okay, and it is a different example of a spring. You see a spring here. This is the size of the spring. When we pull or stretch the spring from both sides, it change its size or length. Okay, and another example, shape of dough changes on applying force. Shape of dough change on applying force. When we applying force, it change. We can change the shape of the dough. Okay, these are some example, and tomorrow we will continue from the next topic, types of force. Okay, I hope you understand. If you have any doubts, so you can ask. Good luck.